Thank you for pressing play on this video. This message not only comes from me in my capacity as leader of Neath Talbot Council, it comes from me as a resident of Neath Talbot, a son, a parent and a grandparent, and a proud member of our community. 12 months ago, as we were wishing people Happy New Year, none of us could have imagined the challenges, hardships and losses that lay ahead. As 2020 draws to a close, I just wanted to pause and reflect on the past year. Throughout this pandemic, life changed for us all. Each and every one of us has had to make sacrifices, make difficult decisions and deal with upsetting personal circumstances. Many too are mourning the loss of family members, friends and colleagues whom the virus took away from us too soon. My deepest sympathy and those of my council colleagues go out to all who have lost loved ones this year. As well as the suffering and the loss for me, 2020 will be defined by how the community has shown resilience and has come together to face challenges unprecedented in peacetime. Staff at our incredible NHS care workers and key workers have given and continue to give so much and deserve all our thanks and gratitude. Companies, business owners, schools, colleges, volunteers, charities, families and individuals have played their part too by recognising the threat the virus poses to the lives and health of all of us. You've done this by acting responsibly and following the rules and advice, even when at times this has been hard. This year, many of us have perhaps taken time to reevaluate the things in life that we may have previously taken for granted. Close contact with family and friends, relationships, socialising, attending family celebrations, trips away, sports and other events. Although the imminent rollout of a vaccine provides us with the long-term hope, safety for us will not come overnight or come gift wrapped under our Christmas tree. To get things back to how they once were, we need to get through these next weeks and months. As we know, the recent spike in COVID-19 infections has hit the area hard. This so-called second wave could very well be followed by a third wave early in the new year if we let our guard down over Christmas. So this Christmas is not a normal Christmas. It can't be a normal one. If we don't follow the rules this Christmas, some of your friends or family we might be tempted to celebrate with this year might not be there next year. This may sound harsh, but it is the simple truth. I wanted this message to be one of hope. We together must all create the conditions to build this hope. The best gift that we can give the people we love this Christmas is to do everything that we can to keep them safe and to keep ourselves safe. So please follow the latest Public Health Wales and Welsh Government advice. On behalf of all at Neath Talbot Council, I wish you and your family a happy and safe Christmas. Let us not selfishly throw away what together we've managed to achieve this year, so we can look forward to a healthy and hopeful new year. Thank you.